Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to link WhatsApp with phone number. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to link your WhatsApp account with another phone number, first of all, you need to link the other phone number to your WhatsApp account. So in order to do that, here you can see three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select link devices from here. Again, tap on link a device option over here. It'll prompt you to scan the QR code, but at the bottom, here you can see the option link with phone number instead. You can select this option. Now in another phone or device, you need to enter the number of this WhatsApp account and you'll get a code over there. So you can enter the code. After that, it'll log you in and there you go. You are successfully logged in. So that's how you can link WhatsApp with phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.